Hello, my name is Emma. I am the founder of A to Z Animal Care, a dog and cat grooming centre in Featherston, and today I would like to talk to you about cleaning your pet's teeth. The first thing that I want to say is really good results are achievable, but like the best things in life, they take a little bit of investment initially in money and then quite a lot of investment in time. There aren't any quick fixes to this, I'm afraid. It is an ongoing job. Just like us, we need to brush our teeth twice a day, every day. It doesn't have to be as frequent as that for your pet, but regularly and routinely cleaning your pet's teeth is a really good habit to get into to keep them nice as long as you possibly can.
Okay, so why is it important to keep your dog's teeth clean?
There's a few reasons that you might want to keep your pet's teeth clean. One is for their health, to prevent them having a lot of bacteria floating around their body. Some of the bacteria in the mouth can be particularly nasty and cause infections. They can go to their heart, which is rather nasty. It also means that they have bad breath, which is not very pleasant, and build-up of plaque and tartar and gingivitis, sore gums, bad breath. None of those things are really what we want for our pets.
Okay, what can the vets offer you when it comes to teeth cleaning?
Vets don't really offer much in the way of preventative dental treatment, which is what this is, dental care, but they can offer routine descaling and polishing. Unfortunately, that would mean that your pet would need to have a full general anaesthetic and all the risks that go along with it. If your pet has got advanced dental problems, loose teeth and severe build-up of tartar, sometimes that is necessary, but the risks would be weighed up with your vets as to how important it is at that stage. What we're talking really here is about routine cleaning, so hygiene of your pet's mouth and preventing problems rather than treating them after they've occurred.
Brilliant. Okay, so what toothbrush are we going to be using? What do you recommend?
I use and recommend the Emmi Pet system. The initial purchase price for the kit, for everything that you would need to get you going, is £150. I can put you in touch with somebody that can get you all of the equipment that you need, but you will basically get a handset, you will get a toothbrush head, you will get some toothpaste specifically to use with your toothbrush, and you will get a charging module that recharges the toothbrush for you so that you can use it repeatedly.
Okay, and how does this Emmi Pet toothbrush work? Why is it different to other toothbrushes out there?
It's different to a manual toothbrush in that the unit creates thousands and thousands and thousands of tiny nano bubbles, and it's these bubbles that are transmitted through the toothpaste, which you can think of as like an ultrasound gel. It transmits the bubbles through the toothbrush head and onto the surface of your pet's teeth, thereby effectively breaking down, blasting away any plaque, tartar, staining, food particles and things that might be stuck on your pet's teeth. So it's ultrasound, it's completely quiet, it doesn't vibrate, it doesn't make a noise, it's not alarming for your pet, but it is very effective with the bubbles against the debris that might be on their teeth.
Do you need any training to use this toothbrush?
It's not complicated. You don't need formal training. Videos such as this are perfectly adequate. The company themselves have done several videos which you could also watch if you wanted, but the general setup and the general use is much more about practice, handling your pet's mouth and getting them used to the process of having their teeth brushed. There isn't any danger or anything technical. It's more about the bond between you and your pet and them putting up with you fiddling with their mouth.
And how often would you brush your dog's teeth with this?
The answer, honestly, is as often as you can, but realistically, if you could do it a minimum of a couple of times a month, that would be great. Ideally, if you could get into a once or twice a week habit, that would be great. But our lives are busy, so if we aim for once a week and then manage once every other week, that would be enough.
And whilst you're doing the brushing, is there anything you should be looking out for on the dog's teeth? Any issues you should be looking for?
Yeah, I mean, it's always a good idea to routinely have a look in your pet's mouth anyway, just to see what's going on. You can pick up a lot of things, early build-up of tartar, gingivitis, any items that might be stuck in their mouth, any loose teeth. Cavities are not common like they are in people because dogs have a very low sugar diet, so you won't often find cavities, but it is possible they can have things stuck between their teeth, redness, soreness of the gums, any inflammation. And if there's things you're worried about, chat to your vet. Right, so here we have Chip. I did do some teeth cleaning on him yesterday. As some of you will know, you saw the before and after pictures that we did yesterday. It's important that your pet is comfortable. I've got Tom, my son, holding Chip. It is a good idea if you have got a second person to help you. It just makes the whole experience a lot more comfortable, a lot easier, and your pet can be constantly reassured the whole time that they're doing the right thing with somebody that they know. It's not impossible on your own, and once you've cleaned their teeth a few times and they're used to it, it does all get a lot easier. But Chip's still quite new to this, and if you've got somebody that can give them a cuddle at the same time, that would be great. So we're going to get a little bowl of water and a little bit of the toothpaste. It does have to be this toothpaste. You can't substitute it for a normal doggy toothpaste or a human toothpaste. This is what transfers the bubbles. This is what makes the whole system work. So be generous, use plenty. I've got the toothbrush head attached to the toothbrush, and I'm just going to switch it on. It's only got two settings, on and off, and the green means it's on and it's fully charged. It flashes when it needs charging, and then you pop it back on the base. So I'm going to wet the toothbrush.
And there's no noise whatsoever?
No noise at all. No, that's it running. No sound. So just to get Chip used to the idea of what we're doing, what I usually do is pop a little bit of the toothpaste on my finger first, just so that he can smell it and taste it, and he knows what we're all about. So just rub it along his teeth. Any licking or any chewing is all completely normal, but it just gives you an idea how your pet's going to react and gets them used to the toothbrush. So all you need to do, load some toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Again, be quite generous, use quite a lot. And then all you're going to do is lift their lip and then hold it on the tooth. You don't need to press very hard. You don't need to scrub backwards and forwards. You just hold it on. The instructions say for a minimum of 10 seconds. If your pet is quite comfortable and will tolerate a bit longer, let them lick their lips and get comfy, that's fine. But do it in bursts of 10 seconds. And then when you've done 10, give them a little break. Load up with a bit more toothpaste and go back in.
Doing the same tooth again?
Yep, I'm going to keep going on this tooth just to start with. It's a nice easy one to get to. It's comfortable for your pet.
And do you do each tooth individually?
Yes. Yes, you would want to concentrate on each tooth individually. For a count of 10. Right. So we've done that a couple of times on that tooth. We'll work our way back. Chip's got really quite a small mouth, which is why I've chosen a small toothbrush head. But it is a little bit more tricky to get back here. But be patient. Give them lots of time, give them lots of praise, and just hold the toothbrush on the tooth as best as you can. He's a good boy. Well done, Chip.
How many size heads are there that you can choose from?
There's only two, small or large. Anything up to a sort of collie size, I would use the small one, and anything from a collie to a Labrador to a German Shepherd upwards, I would use the big one.
Can you get bleeding gums from this?
Occasionally, if your pet has got a bit of gingivitis. It's not unusual. You can see a very slight reddening of the gum back here. It's not unusual. It doesn't do them any harm. It's just where the bubbles are bringing the blood to the surface, and actually it does help to heal the gums as well.
So you don't have to wait for your dog's teeth to get dirty or like discoloured. You can do this from a puppy.
Absolutely,
Get them
yes.
used to it.
Prevention is always better than cure. Get them used to this at a young age. Work around all their teeth, getting them used to it from when they're really small. And then you can prevent the build-up of plaque and prevent the build-up of tartar and gingivitis and all those nasty bugs that float around. It does take time. You will have to do a few sessions. And if the tartar is quite thick, just keep going. So I've worked on Chip's teeth for about 20 minutes today. As you can see, he's fine. He's quite calm. He's quite happy. I'm just going to let you have a little look at these sparkly gnashers, and we will of course show you some photos as well. But all his teeth look really, really nice and clean. If you wanted to finish up with just a little bit of cotton wool and water, just to wipe around their mouth and lips, just to get rid of any spare toothpaste, and just clean them up a little bit, that's absolutely fine. And that's really it. Keep it short and sweet to start with. If your pet's not used to it, 5 minutes, 10 minutes at a time is enough. Remember that this is a system that you can use yourself at home, but you can also get the help of a local groomer. Lots of groomers do offer teeth cleaning. You could use the services of both. If you've got your groomer to do your pet's teeth once a month, that would be ideal, to give him a really thorough session. And then you can do it yourself at home in between if you want to. There is a directory of groomers that offer the Emmi Pet cleaning system, so I'll put that up online for you as well. If you want to do it yourself, that's fine. If you want to get some help with it, that's also fine, or a combination of the two. But yeah, get cleaning. If it's something that you're interested in doing and you've got any questions, I'd be really happy to help. But for a one-off investment of £150, you can have your dog's teeth looking really nice and kept nice for the rest of their lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.